Misplay's current error guide lists network problems, VPN detection, and temporary service issues as specific causes of errors when the app cannot connect properly. And Mistplay support on one end. If Mistplay shows a server error as soon as you launch it, the fastest approach is to check the connection first, then restart the app and device before reinstalling anything. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check when Mistplay opens with a server or connection error. Start by closing Mistplay completely. Force stop the app from your Android settings, then reopen it. Misplay's own troubleshooting guide recommends force stopping the app and restarting your device when the app is not performing correctly. In Mistplay support on Western. Next, test your internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off and try Mistplay using mobile data. Mistplay specifically recommends this for certain network-related errors. In Mistplay support on one end. If Mistplay works on mobile data but not Wi-Fi, the problem is likely connected to that network rather than your Mistplay account. Now check whether Data Saver is enabled. Mistplay says its app needs an internet connection while operating, and its error guide recommends disabling Data Saver for certain network errors. In Mistplay support on one. Also turn off any VPN before launching Mistplay again. Mistplay has a specific VPN-related error, and its recommended steps include switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restarting the device. And Mistplay support on one and see. If you are not using a VPN yourself, remember that some public Wi-Fi networks or other network configurations can still trigger VPN detection. Mistplay recommends contacting your internet provider if the issue continues. In Mistplay support on one. After checking the connection, restart your phone and open Mistplay again. If you still get the server error, clear Misplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon. Open the app information screen, select storage or cache, and choose Clear Cache. Mistplay lists this as an additional troubleshooting step after force stopping and restarting the device. In Mistplay support on one city. If the error includes a code, search that exact code in Mistplay's error code glossary. For example, Mistplay identifies error 522,836,982 as an internal game service issue and recommends force stopping the app, restarting the device, and reopening Mistplay. And Mistplay support on one. Do not immediately create a second Mistplay account. If the problem is account related, creating another account can make troubleshooting more complicated. If none of these steps work, contact Mistplay support and include a screenshot of the server error and the exact error code if one appears. Mistplay specifically asks users to provide screenshots when an error is not resolved by its general troubleshooting steps. In Mistplay support one only. So the order is: force stop Mistplay, test mobile data, disable Data Saver, turn off VPN, restart the phone, clear the cache, and check the exact error code. Try those steps before reinstalling the app. If this fixed your Mistplay server error, like the video, and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.